Okay, let's look at this problem. It says one pipe can fill a tank in 2 hours, and another pipe can fill the tank in 6 hours. And we want to know if both pipes are used, how long will it take to fill the tank? Now, the key point to figure out how to solve this problem is to understand how much does each pipe fill per hour. How much does each pipe fill in 1 hour? So if you look at this table, so let's call them the pipe A and pipe B. The pipe A can fill the tank 2 hours individually. So if we only use a pipe A, it will take the pipe A to fill the tank in 2 hours. And if we only use pipe B, it will take the pipe B 6 hours to fill the tank. And therefore, the amount of work each pipe can fill in 1 hour is 1/2 and 1/6. Now, if you don't understand why these numbers are like this, let me use this example to explain it. So, suppose there is a chocolate bar, and if you can eat this chocolate bar in 3 hours, and we wonder how many of this chocolate bar you can eat in 1 hour. So the answer is 1/3. Right? How to think about this? If we divide this chocolate bar evenly into 3 pieces, since you can eat this chocolate bar in 3 hours, right? So that means every hour you can eat one of these 3 pieces, and one of these 3 pieces is equal to 1/3 of this entire chocolate bar, right? So if we change this number, like if you can eat the chocolate bar in 5 hours, then we wonder how many of the chocolate bar you can eat in each hour. So in this case, the answer is 1/5, right? So this time we're gonna divide the chocolate bar into 5 pieces evenly. So you can eat this chocolate bar in 5 hours. So every hour you will eat 1 pieces, right? And this 1 piece is equal to 1/5 of this entire chocolate bar, right? So if we change this number, we're gonna change this number as well. So therefore, we can generalize the formula. Say if you can eat the chocolate bar in T hours, then you can eat 1/T of the chocolate bar per hour. So that's why if we consider this is like you eat a chocolate bar, right? You can eat the chocolate bar in 2 hours. So every hour you will eat 1/2. And if we can eat the chocolate bar in 6 hours, so every hour you can eat 1/6. And now we want to figure out if both pipes are used, how long will it take them to fill the tank. Since we don't know this, right? So this is our unknown. Let's call this as X. We assume it will take them X hours to fill the tank. Therefore, per hour, every hour, it will take them. So every hour, they will fill 1/X of the tank. And because the 2 pipes are working together, so every hour this pipe contributes this amount, and the second pipes contributes this amount. So therefore, when they are working together, the amount each pipe contributes should be equal to the amount of work when they work together. So 1/2 plus 1/6 should be equal to 1/X. Right? And that's how we set up this equation. Now, to solve this equation, we can do this way. So first we combine 1/2 and 1/6. Now to do this, we change the denominator of the first fraction into 6. So the numerator we change as a 3. So this gives us 4/6 equals 1/x. And then, since this is a rational equation, so to solve this equation, we multiply 4 by x and multiply 6 by 1. We can rewrite the equation into this way. So therefore, x equals 6/4, which is 1.25. So when 1.5. This is 1.5. So if both pipes are used, it will take them 1.5 hours to fill the tank.